Stop.
Come on. Come on.
I'm gonna tase you. Stop.
On January 20th, 2025, officers responded to a hotel trespass call that escalated into a violent arrest. This analysis examines the constitutional and tactical issues at play. Under criminal trespass statutes nationwide, property owners possess the legal right to exclude individuals from their premises. When someone refuses to leave after being asked by an authorized representative, they commit criminal trespass.
Hello. You just wanted to leave. Okay.
So the business is wanting you to leave.
The business, it ain't business, it's a house.
It's hospital, not hospital. It's
You
a hotel.
got from the hotel.
Yeah.
Hotel party, you in the hotel.
Do what now?
You in the hotel.
Yeah, this is a hotel.
This is bones.
Yeah.
Y'all ain't going yet. That's fine. You put me in a police car?
No, we don't want to do that.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't take a police car ride. You take to the precinct?
No.
Why you here?
We just need you to hit the road.
Nah, I'll be up after my food I leave.
Well, unfortunately, we can't do that because they're asking you to leave, okay?
And then, why I gotta leave?
Because they're asking you to leave. They want
They
you off.
do that around here.
It does not
They
matter.
ask me to leave when they know it's there.
Listen, it doesn't
It's not
matter.
there.
Listen.
It's not there.
Listen to me. I am speaking
Listen
to you.
I got this to you.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
You're either going to leave or you're going to go to jail. Do you understand me?
You're gonna go to jail.
You're either going to leave or you're going to go to jail.
No, you gonna go to jail. You hear me? You gonna go to jail.
Man, we don't want you to go to jail for trespass.
No, you trespassing. She's starring your shirt. You trespassing. That's obvious. Stop cutting my body. Put your hand on it. Keep your hand. Understand? Keep your ass. All over this shit. Hey,
Before we do-
I'ma kick your damn ass.
Before we do anything, we're going to call traffic.
No, you gonna control. I'm gonna kick your ass. It's not put hands on people.
We don't want to do that.
You ain't gonna like it. I'm gonna kick your ass. No, you leave.
Ma'am, all we're asking you to do is
Leave
leave.
off premises. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, that's what we're asking you.
Yeah, tell me what.
So it's either time to leave or we're going to take you to
I'm
jail.
gonna get some more
It's either time to leave or we're going to take you to jail.
I'm gonna get some more coffee. Get some
No,
more
you're
coffee.
not. 4-4, give us traffic.
Come on.
Stop.
Come on. Come on.
I'm going to tase you.
Say
Stop.
Say.
4-4, signal 19.
That's it right now.
All right, I got her hand.
Unit Signal 36 at cover in E080. Montana Highway 12C Charlie. All responding units. FW Channel 4 holding traffic.
Stop. Stop. Get up. Stop.
Hey, nah. I ain't your friend no more.
Get down. Get down.
Bring your hand on me.
Stop. 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 Roll over. I got her legs, bro. Get down on you. Stop it now. I'm done playing with you.
Ow.
Give me your hand.
Ow.
Stop. Give me your hand. Give me your other hand now.
Get over there.
Stop reaching.
Go my leg, man.
Give me your other hand now.
I did
Stop
already.
resisting.
I did
Put your hand behind your back.
Ow.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Man, it's not on my back.
No, it is not.
I'm tell. I'm gonna tell her. I'm gonna tell her what you did. I said the guy took the guy took me. I'm telling you.
10-4 Channel 7.
I'm telling you. You know what to do. Telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Go ahead. Guess what? I'm telling you. You don't like it too. I'm telling you. Tell you. Johnson said, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Every time you like it. I'm telling you, stop to touch me. Give me my foot. Hey, let go of my arm. You hear me?
No.
Let go of my arm.
No.
Car 44.
4-4, go ahead.
Is he investigated?
34 as of right now.
10-4.
Go ahead, eat it. Money. Go ahead.
Keep all units. 1022 to signal 36. 1022 signal 36. 34. Channel clear at midnight 51.
You alright? You alright? See? You alright?
You wanna check that side?
Go. Let my arm go. Let my arm go. Hey.
No. You're staying on this bumper.
Oh. Come on, get your arm on mine.
Come on, step up.
Excuse me, I gotta get in the car, sir.
If you don't, we're gonna have to
I didn't
help.
double
I
up
gotta get
this
in the
one.
car, sir. Excuse me. Move your arms, I get in the car. Can you move your arms, I get in the car?
Hang tight a
Can
second.
you move
Hang
your
on,
arms,
we're gonna
I
fix your
get in the
cuffs so
car?
they don't tighten up on
Can you
you.
move your arms, I get in the car. Move your arms, I get in the car, mister. Move your arms, I get in the car. You don't mind? Can you move your arms, I get in the car? Oh, see, what's this doing? Yeah, this is
Yeah, they ain't coming.
All right, go ahead.
Hold on, sit down.
The officer approaches with proper distance, approximately 6 to 8 feet, known as a reactionary gap. This positioning allows response time to sudden threats while maintaining communication ability. Notice the officer's language. The business is wanting you to leave. This establishes that officers act as enforcement agents for the property owner's exclusion rights, not making arbitrary decisions. The subject states, "I'm not going yet," attempting to negotiate her own timeline. Once a property owner requests immediate removal, remaining becomes criminal trespass, regardless of the individual's preferred schedule. The officer provides clear warning. You're either going to leave or you're going to go to jail. This satisfies the legal requirement for notice before arrest when circumstances allow. The subject makes explicit threats. "I'm going to kick your ass." Under Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989, use of force must be analyzed based on what the officer reasonably perceived at that moment. Graham v. Connor established 3 factors: severity of the crime, whether the suspect poses immediate threat to safety, and whether the suspect is actively resisting arrest or attempting to evade. The Supreme Court emphasized that reasonableness must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with 20/20 hindsight. We cannot evaluate actions based on comfortable, retrospective analysis. The officer calls for backup before attempting physical arrest. This follows tactical procedure when dealing with an uncooperative subject who has made violent threats. One final warning is given. The officer deploys his taser with a verbal warning. "I'm going to tase you. Stop." The taser fails due to heavy clothing. Instead of retreating, the subject advances and charges. She has now crossed from passive resistance into active physical aggression. Under the force continuum, officers are authorized to meet active aggression with physical control techniques. During the struggle, officers give continuous clear commands. "Stop, get down, give me your hand." The subject actively resists each command, pulling away and refusing to surrender her hands. Hand control is critical during arrests. Hands must be secured to prevent access to weapons, either the officers or any concealed by the subject. Each refusal extends the struggle and compounds injury risk. The officer's immediate account states the subject charged him, threw punches, and struck him with a coffee cup. Both officers landed on their shoulders during the takedown, sustaining injuries. Critically, one officer notes, We didn't throw a punch. She was throwing them. The officers maintained control-focused techniques rather than retaliatory force, showing professional restraint. Applying Graham's 3 factors. First, criminal trespass is a misdemeanor. Second, the subject made explicit threats, charged officers, and threw punches, clearly posing immediate threat. Third, she actively resisted throughout, refusing commands, fighting physically, and sustaining resistance even on the ground. All 3 factors support the force used. The force employed, taser deployment, followed by physical control techniques, was proportional to the violent resistance encountered. Officers did not escalate to strikes despite being struck themselves. A reasonable officer facing these circumstances, explicit threats, charging behavior, active combat, and continued resistance, would conclude that physical control measures were necessary and appropriate. The subject faces criminal trespass for remaining after being told to leave, resisting arrest for physical interference with officers, and potentially battery on law enforcement for striking officers. Each charge was entirely avoidable. Had she complied with the initial request to leave the property, she would have faced 0 criminal consequences.
Pulled my taser and she's bowed up at me. Pulled my taser. I was like, she has too much padding, so I wanted to put it back. She charged me. Got hit in the face with a cough cup. I don't know how many times she even got a connect on me while she was swinging. I threw my taser. He grabs her, I grab her, we're both trying to take her down. She's still fighting, and then whenever we went down, I landed on my shoulder, he landed on his. Shoulder hurts like hell right now.
What's the problem?
We asked her to leave, and she starts screaming at us that we're trespassing because we have the star on our chest. 2.5, more than likely. Yeah, I don't know what I got, but my arm and wrist hurts.
Yeah, probably that floor that we ended up on with some force. And I managed to joint manipulate myself.
That hurts.
You think people were playing a blue team?
No, we didn't either. We didn't throw a punch. She was throwing them.
Yeah.
It happened quick. I don't even know if I got hit or not. I do know I was hit with a coffee cup.
Yeah, I don't think so, because when she
pushed off of me, then bowed up to me, and then hit me in the somewhere with a coffee cup. I know it was right in this area.
Alright, I'm gonna go get
Now the grades. The primary officer receives a B-. He provided clear warnings, called for backup appropriately, deployed less lethal options first, and used proportional force. The grade reflects minor tactical concerns. The taser's predictable failure due to visible heavy clothing, and positioning that allowed the subject within charging distance during final warnings. The secondary officer receives a B for competent backup support, clear commands during the struggle, and appropriate restraint in force application. The subject receives an F. She refused every lawful command, made explicit violent threats, physically attacked officers, and transformed a simple property issue into multiple felonies. Her statement that officers were trespassing because they have the star on their chest reveals fundamental misunderstanding of law enforcement authority on private property. There is no legally defensible aspect of her conduct. Every decision worsened her situation and increased her criminal jeopardy. Key lessons from this case. Property owner exclusion rights are legally enforceable through law enforcement. Officers act as agents enforcing these rights, not making arbitrary decisions. Warnings before arrest are required when circumstances allow, but refusal after clear warning establishes grounds for arrest. Compliance at this stage avoids all criminal consequences. Verbal threats elevate threat assessment under Graham versus Connor. Officers may respond to reasonably perceived threats, not just actual attacks already in progress. Physical resistance to lawful arrest is a separate crime beyond the original offense. Each act of resistance, pulling away, refusing commands, striking officers, compounds criminal liability. The force continuum authorizes progressive force responses. Officers are not required to accept being struck without responding with appropriate control techniques. Finally, de-escalation has limits. When a subject refuses all verbal de-escalation, makes violent threats, and initiates physical aggression, officers are justified in using force to effect the lawful arrest. This case demonstrates how a minor misdemeanor can cascade into serious felonies through successive bad choices. The subject controlled every decision that led to her violent arrest. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content.